Hi, I'm Miss Medina. I am an ESE teacher at Plant High School, and I'm super excited to start this year. I'm starting my 14th year here at Plant, and we'll be teaching courses that fall under a category called the 12 Plus program. The classes that I'll be teaching are called Transition Planning, Career Prep, Career Education, Preparation for Adult Living, and Access Algebra, which is math. I will be teaching the kids how to get ready for post-secondary goals. So what they'll be doing after high school. This is the first year I'll be teaching these classes, but think that it's going to go great, especially since we have the Paul Buck's coffee business, which the kids run, and it teaches them how to have a job, get a job, hold a job. So I hope we can still do the coffee business. I think it's a great thing for these kids to do. I'm also the Best Buddies advisor. And if you don't know what Best Buddies is, you definitely need to get your kid involved. It's the best club here at Plant. Basically what we do is we put the regular ed kids and the special needs kids together, and they form friendships. And these friendships blossom and go on for years, I've seen. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything, let me know. You can reach me by email at Caroline, Caroline .medina, MEDINA, at sdhc.com. I'm sorry, Caroline.medina at sdhc.k12.fl.us. I can also be reached on my cell phone. You can text me or call me. My number is 813-728-4639. I'm always looking for suggestions, or anything that you have to share would be great. Any kinds of anything. So feel free to reach out to me, and I'm super excited, like I said, for this year and to see the kids on August 31st in person. All right, see you soon.